Cynthia Lee. She recorded this video as it was late in June of 2017, and this was recorded in a neighborhood where they have a Dunkin' Donuts in Raleigh, North Carolina. She got on the bus, and then she saw these two pterosaurs that were flying together in the sky, and she got out her cell phone and started recording them. Now, this is not the first time she had a sighting of a modern pterosaur, a ropen, or long-tailed modern pterodactyl, as some people call it. Not the first time at all. And got into some of the details about the slowing down the motion and showing a closer view of it. And we saw this. And this is full speed here. Now we get into the slower motion and magnify the upper and lower ropen. This is the lower ropen chased by small. This is upper ropen. So anyway, we got into some details. This is showing regular speed, I believe. Yeah, regular speed. And this is slow motion. I don't recall the exact speed it was, but this is slowed down even more. Now, here's the thing. We need a comparison. This is a dark flying creature. And I was thinking at first that the wing flapping is similar to, in the frequency or the speed of the flapping, similar to a crow. And crows are dark too. Is there any possibility it was a crow? Well, let's get into that and see. Here's I got footage. This is taken from footage. Of course, this is not the total footage. It's just showing one cycle of the wing flap of a crow. This is half speed. And now we're going to get into something a little different to compare it with. This is quarter speed with a blur function applied to it. For those who are interested, 13.5 blur pixels for the blurs. And we see there is some general resemblance to the parent pterodactyl that was videotaped. We need to see the differences. This is the reported modern pterosaur by Cynthia Lee, who reported that this was she said I looked up and saw two pterosaurs flying in the sky. That's the quotation, what she said. She was on the bus and she got out her cell phone and started recording them. And this is a sighting location near the Dunkin' Donuts in Raleigh, North Carolina. And here is comparing it with crow. This crow, but notice the way that the wings are flapping. It's more complex.